Hello students, this is our third class. In the previous two classes, we have discussed and analyzed the poem Autumn by John Clare. In this class, we are going to work out the exercises that are given for the poem Autumn. So, let's start. Exercise 1. Take the correct answer from the given alternatives. Question 1 is, all through the day, fitful gust shakes the options window pane, curtains, casement and door. The option is casement. C. The answer is casement. Answer is casement, as you can see here. Answer. 2. The poet loves to see the shaking twig dance till the shut of eve. That is option D. The sparrow sat on the option A cottage rig. 4. The pigeons nestled round the option B coat. 5th. The cock was crowing upon the option A dunghill. 6. The grunting pigs, option C, scramble and hurry. So, these are the answers. Now, let us move to the exercise 2. Exercise 2. Answer the following questions within 25 words. Question 1. What happens to the leaves of the mossy elm tree in autumn? What happens to the leaves of the mossy elm tree in autumn? In autumn, the sudden rush of wind takes the leaves of the mossy elm tree away, and then, twirling them by the window pane, it disperses them down the lane. Question 2. What are the things the poet loves to see on November days? On November days, the poet loves to see the shaking of casement, the shedding of leaves, the dance of the twig, the chirp of sparrow, cottage smoke, pigeons nestling, cocks crowing, and selling of meal. Exercise 3. Exercise 3. State whether the following sentences are active or passive voice. A. Anil will visit his grandmother's house. This is an example of active voice. B. The president has left his office. এটাও active voice. The project will have been finished by the students. Passive voice. Promita's leave has been sanctioned by the school authority. এটা passive voice. So, answer গুলো এখানে A active voice, B passive active voice, C passive voice, D passive voice. Exercise 4. Change the voice of the following sentences. A. The boy has read out the letter. Answer is, the letter has been read out by the boy. I shall have bought a cricket bat by tomorrow. Answer is, a cricket bat will have been bought by me by tomorrow. C. Shohini's friend had organized a picnic. Answer is, a picnic had been organized by Shohini's friend. D. The football team will put up a brave fight. Answer is, a brave fight will be put up by the football team. See the answers here. First one is present perfect tense. So, the letter has been read out by the boy. Then, a cricket bat will have been bought by me by tomorrow. Future perfect tense. C. A picnic had been organized by Shohini's friend. Past perfect tense. A brave fight will be put up by the football team. Future simple future tense বা future indefinite tense. Next, exercise 5. Exercise 5. Exercise 5. I said to him, will you share your tiffin with me? See the answer. I asked him if he would share his tiffin with me. Second question is, Anjan's mother said, your father has left for Mumbai. Anjan's mother had said that his, ব্র্যাকেটে তোমরা লিখতে পারো অঞ্জনস বা দ্য অ্যাড্রেসিস বা কিছু না লিখলেও অসুবিধা নেই। Anjan's mother said that his father had left for Mumbai. C. The girls triumphantly said, hurrah, we have won the match. The girls exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Sorry, এখানে girls হবে, এটা yes যোগ হবে. The girls exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Next question. He says, let you be successful. He says, let you be successful in life. He wishes that I may be successful in life. He wishes that I may be successful in life. E. The captain informed the tournament was postponed last night. The captain informed that the tournament had been postponed the previous month. Sorry, কোশ্চেনটা ভুল পড়েছিলাম. The captain informed the tournament was postponed last month. The captain informed that the tournament had been postponed the previous month. আমরা জানি লাস্ট মান্থ এটাকে চেঞ্জ করতে হলে আমাদের প্রিভিয়াস লাগাতে হয়. এক্সারসাইজ 5 কমপ্লিট. এক্সারসাইজ 6. Use the following flowchart to write a paragraph within 100 words on how to make paper. So এটা একটা প্রসেস রাইটিং. সেই প্রসেস রাইটিং লেখার জন্য আমরা জেনারেলি প্যাসিভ ভয়েস ইউজ করি. কোনো জিনিস কিভাবে তৈরি হয় সেটা এই প্রসেস রাইটিংয়ের প্যারাগ্রাফে দেখানো হয়. আমাদের আজকের টপিক কিভাবে আমরা পেপার তৈরি করি. সো সেটা দেখে নেওয়া যাক. প্রথমে একটা আমাদের দিতে হবে একটি টাইটেল. টাইটেলটা হচ্ছে এখানে প্রোডাকশন অফ পেপার বা মেকিং অফ পেপার. তারপর একটা ইন্ট্রোডাক্টরি একটা লাইন. সেই লাইনটি কি, পেপার ইজ ওয়ান অফ দ্য মোস্ট ইউজড থিংস ইন আওয়ার ডেইলি লাইভস. তারপরে আমরা একটা সেন্টেন্স দেওয়া উচিত, যেটা আমি দিতে ভুলে গেছিলাম. সেটা হচ্ছে, সেটা নিচে লিখেছি আমি, দ্য প্রোডাকশন অফ পেপার গোজ থ্রু এ সিরিজ অফ কমপ্লেক্স স্টেজেস. সেই স্টেজগুলো নিয়ে আমরা আলোচনা করব. দেন হিয়ার ইজ এ ওয়ে হাউ পেপার ইজ মেড. ফার্স্ট, bamboos are brought to the paper mill. Then they are cut into pieces and put into hot water in a machine or digester. After that, chemicals are added to the water and it is boiled in high temperature until desired result is got. In this way, the pulp is made. In this way, the pulp is made. Thereafter, the pulp is taken to a roller machine where the pulp is flattened and rolled into paper sheets. Next, color is added to the sheets and they are dried, pressed and made smooth. Now, the paper sheets are cut into desirable sizes. Finally, the papers are ready for use and they are packed, labeled and sent to market for sale. দেখো এটা লক্ষ্য করলে আমরা দেখতে পাবো সবসময় কানেক্টিং কিছু ওয়ার্ড আমরা ইউজ করছি, যেমন ফার্স্ট, তারপর দেন, দেয়ার আফটার, হেয়ার আফটার, আফটার দ্যাট, নেক্সট, নাও অ্যান্ড ফাইনালি। Exercise 7. Exercise 7. Write a biography of Annie Besant with 100 words based on the hints given below. এখানে প্যারাগ্রাফ লেখার সময় আমাদের পয়েন্টস দেওয়াই থাকে, মেন পয়েন্টসগুলো, সেই পয়েন্টসগুলোকে আমাদের একটু ডেভেলপ করতে হয় আর একটা ইন্ট্রোডাক্টরি লাইন্স বা একটা কনক্লুডিং লাইন্স আমাদের লিখতে হয়, বা মাঝে মাঝে যদি কোনো গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ইনফরমেশান থাকে সেগুলো আমরা পুট করি। তাহলে দেখা যাক। Annie Besant was one of those foreigners who have significant contribution to India. She was born on 1st October 1847 in London. She was a famous British writer. She was also known as a socialist, philanthropist, educationist and women's rights activist. She fought for the rights of women. She also fought for the cause of birth control, secularism and workers' rights. She came to India in 1898. She became involved in politics and joined Indian National Congress. Then she campaigned for the dominion status for India within British rule. In 1917, she became the first women president of Indian National Congress. She continued his works afterwards. Then she passed away on 20th September 1933 in Madras, India. Though she is no more with us, she is remembered for her contribution to India. তাহলে এখানেই আজকের টপিক আমাদের বা আজকের এক্সারসাইজ যেগুলো ছিল সেগুলো শেষ হলো। ধন্যবাদ।